In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to a Miro board. If you're involved in team collaboration or presenting ideas, incorporating multimedia elements like videos can significantly enhance the clarity and engagement of your presentations. Let's dive into the steps to seamlessly integrate a video into your Miro board. First, you'll want to navigate to the Miro platform by going to the Boards section. This is essentially your dashboard where all your creative and brainstorming activities take place. Once there, find and click on the board in which you want to embed your video. This action will open your existing board where you'll have all your visual ideas and project outlines laid out. Make sure your content is organized in a way that best presents your ideas and resources. Next, we need to get your video ready. Open YouTube and log in if you haven't already. Upload the video you wish to add to your board. Now, it's essential to consider the privacy settings of your video. You'll want to set it to unlisted. Doing so ensures that only those with the link can view the video, maintaining some privacy while still allowing you to share it within your board. Once your video is uploaded, simply open the video page on YouTube. Here you'll find the share button, which is key to the next step. Click on this share button to reveal the video's sharing options. What we're interested in is the URL provided here. Carefully copy the URL, ensuring no extra spaces are added. This URL is what you'll paste into your Miro board to embed the video. Now, let's return to your Miro board. With the URL copied, go back to Miro and paste this URL directly onto your board. Miro is designed to recognize it as a video link and will automatically convert it into an embedded video player right on your board. This feature makes it simple to integrate videos without any additional tools or plugins. And there you have it. Addition of videos enhances the way you convey messages on your board. Whether you're illustrating an idea, sharing inspirational content, or offering tutorials, a simple video can often speak volumes more than text or static images. Adopting multimedia on your Miro board not only makes your presentations more interactive, but also more accessible and engaging for viewers. Thank you for watching this tutorial on adding videos to your Miro board. I hope this has been helpful in amplifying your collaborative and presentation efforts. If you found this guide beneficial, be sure to leave a comment or share any other tips you might have on using Miro more effectively. Happy creating, and until next time, keep exploring new ways to express your creativity on digital platforms.